Oh, good afternoon, everyone. This is my I am Jessica, the one of the AL student, and now I'm choosing that issues right now. We know already we have a lot of issue in the Philippines, but I choose about education. So we know we have an issue right now in social media. So the one of the trending, so chat GPT. And I know all of you is familiar about this ChatGPT. So, according to the DepEd, according to the uh, PISA, so marami daw na nakakahabot sa high honor, but with a high honor using ChatGPT. So that's my opinion. It's that wrong. So last 2 years ago or 1 year ago, there are a lot of students to a part of honor. So we are going to privilege to part of this. But in my opinion, as student, so kayang-kaya naman natin gumawa ng sarili natin, pero bakit natin inaasa sa ChatGPT? So, kasi ang nangyayari, lahat ng mga answer natin, lahat ng kailangan natin, isasagot ni ChatGPT. But the one thing that we have to wrong using ChatGPT, because not all your details is correct. Kasi sometimes we have assignment in our school. Akala mo yun na yung answer, but we can't. Because the ChatGPT is a AI. Nasa na yung own words natin as a human. So, nasasanay tayong gumagamit ng ChatGPT. But, how about yung using natin as a student, as a people, as a human? Hindi tayo matututo kung palagi tayo nakadepende sa ChatGPT. And now, as a student, so I just want to clear and emphasize about the using ChatGPT. So it's okay to using ChatGPT, but for your enhancement and for some your need to do. But if you are student and also you are in a grade school or some high school or college, you cannot use ChatGPT. Why? Because when you are college, you're not going to using ChatGPT because that professor and also in the senior high, the professor and the teachers, we know that your words not from you, is from your ChatGPT and using AI. So, according to the PISA, marami daw na mababa ang comprehensive natin according this a matter kasi lahat ng mga activities o lahat ng ng mga bata ngayon, mga essay, sentence, hindi na sariling nila galing, kundi galing na sa ChatGPT AI. Pero as a student, in my opinion, mas maganda na yung dati na walang ChatGPT, walang AI, kasi talagang natututo ang mga bata. Compare ngayon sa generation natin, bakit kasi na-invento tong ChatGPT na to eh? Kaya anong nangyayari ngayon, maraming mga bata, maraming mga tao na gumagamit ng AI, wala na yung using on your words. So, even nga sa korte even nga sa Senate hearing ginagamit na using ChatGPT, wala nang sariling opinion. So, kawawa, Pilipino pa naman tayo, pero tayong Pilipino, binababa natin yung level natin. So, does it mean, hindi tayo natututo, hindi natin nalalaman kung ano yung dapat natin sabihin kasi nakadepende tayo sa ChatGPT, which is wrong talaga. So, in my opinion, as student, it's okay to use, pero in a proper and nasa tamang paggamit. Pero kung lahat ng report mo at activities mo is from ChatGPT, paano ka matututo? And you are gonna be lazy. And there are a lot of students na graduate ngayon, na nakapasa ngayon, pero ang tanong, is it from and sentence activities is from by own words ba o using by AI? So, I just want to lesson about this because someone to told me, graduate ka nga, may honor ka nga, pero hindi naman ikaw gumawa, kundi lahat ng activities mo and sentence mo is from AI. So be careful if you are going to using ChatGPT because there are a lot of data and messages we detect according to the scientists, lahat ng mga delete message mo or some information mo, pwedeng basahin ni ChatGPT. So, be careful if you are using ChatGPT. I'm not against the ChatGPT or AI, but you have to be careful. So, hopefully, this matter or this AI, you know how to use properly, and you can use in a good, not because lahat ng mga activities mo or lahat ng mga kailangan mo, you can depend on AI because you don't know how to. Hindi ka matututo. So, that's my opinion and that's it. And hopefully, i-help that and hopefully makatulong po to. Yun lang po. Thank you.